Is your 2023 Hyundai Elantra key fob not working as reliably as it used to? Chances are the battery needs replacing. This video will guide you through the simple process. The 2023 Elantra key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt coin cell battery. These batteries typically last 1 to 2 years with normal use. You'll need a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Let's get started. We will show you how to replace it easily without needing a dealership visit. Make sure the environment you work in is static-free to avoid damaging internal circuits. First, locate the small notch or seam on the back of your key fob, near the key ring attachment. Insert your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into this notch and gently twist to separate the two halves of the case. Be careful not to use excessive force to avoid cracking the plastic. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery held in place by a metal clip or spring. Use the screwdriver to carefully lift the old battery out, noting its orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive plus side is facing up. Now snap the two halves of the key fob case back together. Test the functionality by pressing the buttons near your Elantra to confirm it's transmitting the signal. If it doesn't work, try reprogramming it by inserting the key into the ignition and cycling it on and off 3 to 5 times, or consult your local Hyundai dealership. Properly dispose of the old battery following e-waste guidelines.